What's up, guys? My name's Aaron. Connor's behind the camera. Yeah! And today we're gonna be racing Connor's brand new Tesla Model Y against this Tesla Cyberwheel. What? So this is Tesla's newest product called the Cyberwheel. What do you think about it? What's your initial impression?
Here you go, well, what does it do?
Honestly, man, I have no idea what it does, but it looks f***ing high tech.
Oh, dude, I think that's crazy. It's futuristic, right?
Yeah.
Wait, is this actually Tesla?
It's obviously Tesla, so it must be technology, you know?
It reminds me of a movie. I can't think of the movie, The Predator. Yeah.
Get to the chopper!
So if this guy were to be racing against an actual Tesla, who do you think would win?
The Tesla.
Tesla.
Tesla, bro.
Tesla all day?
Yeah.
All day.
I mean, isn't Tesla 0 to 60 in like 1 second?
No, I mean, if we're in traffic,
If we're in traffic, then this one, yeah, obviously.
Alright guys, so obviously a lot of you know that this isn't actually the Tesla Cyberwheel, but actually just an electric unicycle. So we had a little fun with it, but now it's time to get serious because Connor and I are about to put two Teslas to the test. Blah. He's going to be taking his Model Y, and I'm going to be taking this King Song S18. We're going to be racing to Venice Beach, and we're going to see which one gets there first. So let's take a look at today's competitors. Just real quick to go over the rules, pretty simple. Connor and I are both going to race here from the top of this parking structure in 3rd Street in Santa Monica to Venice Beach. We're both going to follow exactly what our apps tell us to do. We're going to race there, and the first person on foot on the corner near the Venice sign wins. Let's have a safe and fun race, Connor. All right, well, first thing we got to do is get out of this parking structure.
I got my parking ticket, gotta pay for that on the way out.
You have to pay for the parking?
Yeah, so I'll have my wallet and my credit card at the ready.
It's gonna eat your time though, bro. Yeah, you got everything ready?
Hope so.
Okay, let's count down in unison. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! We know that the Tesla's faster. There he goes.
This is where we start to see other cars. This is where he's gonna blow right past me.
Bye-bye.
Oh no, there he goes.
Yeah, I'm off to a strong start for sure. Uh-oh, I don't went the wrong way here. We do a little jump action here. Not bad. All right, and we're off. Off to the races.
All right. Here we go. Get in there. How does it want me to put it in? There it is, approved. Let's get out of here. And it's ready to go. Yes. Punch it. Woo! On my way.
So we're both gonna be taking different routes to get there, I'm sure. But yeah, if you look, it's rush hour. We'll see. He's got to get lucky for sure. Man, I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna stop here. Thanks, man. I don't think Connor gets to do that at his stops. He's probably just parked and waiting right now.
I'm just cruising on this road for another 1.5 miles. Going about 22 miles an hour when I'm going. And back to a stop. It's green again. All right, come on. Go, Prius. I think there's more Priuses than people in LA, man.
Hey, look, there's a window. I'm not gonna lie, call it cocky, whatever you want to say, but I will be pretty surprised if I get over to the sign and Connor's already there. Oh man, I'm so tempted. Should I take one more detour? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take another detour. Curb. Not bad. Alright, we're back on track.
See, my car can steer itself and stop according to the cars in front of it and stop for traffic lights. Aaron's got to ride his unicycle. This is nice. I've been driving for 11 minutes. I'm 2 minutes away. Got a third of a mile remaining. I'm right around the corner. I just got to find parking.
So that little curve in the trail is what kind of marks the transition from Santa Monica to Venice. Getting pretty close to my jumping off point here where I'm gonna leave the trail. I love Venice, man. It's crazy.
This is it. So I gotta find, I'm gonna turn right. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm gonna turn right. And hopefully there's a metered spot down here. But this is the sign right here. This is the sign. No right on red. You're gonna have to wait for this light to turn green. Ah, come on.
Thank you. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Oh, there's cars everywhere. I'm not gonna be able to find parking.
All right, I think it's time for us to get out of Venice. I think I'm pretty much here.
$10. Oh, there's no way I'm paying $10 for this. Is that a space? Oh yes, I found a space. All right, I'm gonna use auto park. Look, Ma, no hands. All right, come on. You're right there. Here we go. All right, here we go.
All right, I'm rolling up. I don't see him.
Ah, there he is.
No, no, I see him. Oh man, guys, I officially got way too cocky and I goofed off way too much. Oh, it's over, he beat me.
What happened?
Oh man, how far did you beat me by? Bro, I took like 3 detours.
Why?
I was being super cocky.
Oh.
I was like, there's no way he'll beat me. I was counting on him not getting lucky with the parking, I guess. All right, guys, so ultimately I did pull a little bit of a tortoise in the hare at the end there, but I guess at the end of the day, I think I'd still pick the EUC 9 times out of 10 just because I had a pretty fun ride through the city and Connor did have to sit in some traffic. So who's to say who won for sure?
I won.
Maybe. Who's to say?
I mean, who doesn't love traffic? I gotta give it to you there. You know, you had a lot more fun on the electric unicycle, but I mean, I love Teslas for the same reasons I love electric unicycles, and one thing's for sure, I've had an electric unicycle way longer than I've had this new car. I love them for the same reasons, being, you know, futuristic technology, electric propulsion, and the performance they provide. The electric unicycle is going to be able to get you where no Tesla's going to be able to go, though.
You know, at the end of the day, you can't go wrong with either, but EUCs are probably going to be a more affordable and easier to access option for a lot of people. And it's really something that's unlike anything else, and I hope you guys are able to try it for yourselves. If you guys did like the video, please do leave a like as it helps the channel grow. Comment if your prediction was correct on who was going to win this race, and subscribe if you're looking forward to some more videos like this one in the future. Other than that,
Stay safe.
stay safe.